Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2011 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.